Okay, speed is a rate of change of distance travel. So speed. So what is the SI unit of speed?
Distance
Meter per second. We may calculate kilometer per hour also, but here we are doing meter per second as a SI unit. I explained about standard international speed. This doesn't repeat. Now next is average speed. Also under the speed you have average speed and also uniform speed. You have two different speed. One is average and another one is uniform. Average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time taken. So suppose the car is moving. Suppose the car is moving first 10 seconds 10 kilometer. Okay, next 10 kilometers, then it is going 20 kilometers in next second. Okay, and next second it is going 30 kilometer. So what will happen? I should add all the distance together and I should add all the time together and write down. So average speed is nothing but average speed is equal to total distance. Hello?
Ma'am, we come properly, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now, total distance. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Total distance divided by total time taken. Can you see the board? So the average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 will become 60. 60 kilometer by every 10 seconds, no 30 seconds. So here this answer which I gave you example 60 kilometer divided by 10 seconds I told you, no, so 30 seconds will come. So 60 kilometer by 30 seconds. So then you can convert this kilometer into meter and meter per second you can write. When you convert kilometer to meter, what will happen? 1 kilometer, 1,000 meter is 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
What you should do is multiply by 1,000.
1000.
So then you cancel and you get the answer in meter per second. So 2000, the answer is 2000 meter per second. Average speed. So this is called average speed. Now next go to uniform speed. What do you mean by uniform speed? What do you mean by uniform speed?
Body moving uniform in a uniform motion with the same speed.
Very good. So, very good. Correct answer. So, uniform speed is when the body moves equal distance in equal interval of time. For every 10 seconds, if the car is going, every 10 seconds, if the car is going 10 kilometer, every 10 seconds, the car is going 10 kilometer or 5 kilometer. That equal distance, where suppose 5 kilometer, you think. Oh, this is running away. If the car is going in every 10 seconds 5 kilometer, if it is moving, you think that means the speed is constant. So this uniform speed is otherwise called as constant speed also. So the uniform speed is otherwise called as
Constant speed.
Now before we go to the problems, we will also learn velocity. Now speed, I told you speed is a scalar, velocity is a vector. Now what is this velocity? Velocity is
Displacement of an object.
Rate of change of displacement, children. I taught you about displacement. Displacement again. What do you mean by displacement?
Shortest distance traveled.
Displacement is the shortest distance. Very good. So it is a direction. Distance traveled in direction. Given direction is called displacement. Okay. So displacement is a vector quantity. So the velocity is also vector quantity. So velocity, when you have to calculate, see for example, suppose the boy is going like this. Okay. East direct. Which direction is this? East direction. So the boy, you know, north, south, east direction, no?
Yes, ma'am.
East, west. So the boy is moving from home to the school. He's going from home to school. Okay, going. Suppose he's going in the same direction. So we can say, suppose he is going with 10 kilometers. 10. He is having 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter in 10 seconds. So what is the speed?
1 meter per second.
Okay, 100 meters in 10 seconds. So what is the speed?
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Very good. Say loudly. 10 meter per second. So this is the speed. But when I mention is in the velocity,
10.
10 meter per second in east direction. That is only velocity. When we mention the direction, because we cannot locate a car or we cannot locate any vehicle without if you don't know the direction how it is moving, how will we locate the vehicle? We cannot. So velocity shows that direction also. So velocity is a rate of change of displacement. Okay, it is a vector quantity. Now for one more example, we can say speed is constant, but velocity need not to be constant here. See here. Suppose the object is moving in the circular path like this. In a constant speed, 10, 50, 20 kilometer speed he is going in the cycle, you think. Suppose a person is riding a cycle and is going like this. So what happened in every round, he is changing the direction. Direction is keep changing. Do you know the how the direction changes? When it's a circular, every direction, every second the direction will be changing. He moves like this, moves like this. The direction is keep on changing. So what happened when he is going in a circular path? He will have a constant, which is constant, which is not constant in their circular path.
Speed is
Constant speed,
constant,
but
ma'am.
more
Yeah,
constant
very good.
than
Speed is constant.
Which is not constant?
speed is constant.
Which is not constant.
Direct.
Direction.
Not
Velocity.
constant because
Direction.
he changes the direction in every second. Velocity is not velocity is not constant. Only speed is constant when he is moving in the circular direction. Okay, when he moves in the circular direction, only speed is constant. The velocity is not constant. Okay, so this is the difference between velocity and the speed. So you have a uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity again? If it is moves in a equal distance, equal
And
direction,
equal time.
equal distance and equal time in particular direction.
Direction.
Okay, okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So you
Yes,
can do
ma'am.
the sum.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
one sum I will teach you how to do. I'll give you some sums only, very important sum. Physics, 30% problems will come, children. So please note down the difference between speed and velocity and how to do the sum. Okay, now note down the sum, all of you. You have a scribbling pad with you. Do you have? A
Yes, ma'am.
scooter covers a distance of 3 kilometer in 5 minutes. 3 kilometer. This board is troubling me like this. It is moving. It is telling don't write. Okay, 3 kilo. My God, I have to take a new board. 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. The scooter is moving 3 kilometer in 5 minutes. The scooter is moving 3 kilometer in 5 minutes. How will you calculate the speed? Calculate the speed. Calculate the speed in centimeter per second. So how will you calculate, children? Centimeter in centimeter per second.
Should convert kilometer to centimeter, ma'am.
So 3
Meter into
Centimeter.
100.
Meter to centimeter.
The meter we get, we should convert into 100, ma'am. Into 100.
So first you write speed formula. First you should write speed formula. Write with the proper steps, children. Even though it is a physics question, like a maths, how will you write like that? Speed is equal to Speed is equal to what?
Ma'am, it's 1000
Distance
centimeters per
Distance by
second,
time.
ma'am.
Distance traveled by time.
Correct. Now wait, let me do the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Okay, equal sign
Time.
equally here. So here you get 3 kilometers. This is playing with me, this board.
Ma'am, it's 1000 centimeter per second, ma'am.
Correct. Answer is correct. I'm just giving the correct steps. Okay, 3 kilometer. First convert it to meter. Meter means 1000 you should convert, right? 1000 you should multiply. Again centimeter. So 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So again you multiply by 100. 5 minutes. 5 minutes means minute will be converted into second. So what you should do? 5 into 60 you should multiply. This
60.
calculation if you do, you will get the answer. 3 into 1000 into 100 divided by 5 into 60. Cancel 6 and 6 0, and this is 2 times, and this is 5 times, and 5 get cancelled. So what is your answer? 1000. What is the unit?
Per second. 1000 per
1000
second.
centimeter per second.
Centimeter per
Very
second.
good. Centimeter. Who said that?
Centimeter per second.
Yeah, centimeter per second. You should write. Very important. This unit is okay. This is the speed. Now, if they are asking velocity, you need to write the direction in which it moves. Okay. So that's all for today. So whenever you complete your homework. Okay. Thank you.